If you're struggling with back pain, you're probably seeing ads everywhere claiming to fix it instantly. Permanent relief in 3 sessions, etc. No surgery is needed, or machine cures disc bulges. Ayurvedic oil that dissolves pain at the root. Sounds convenient, sounds painless, sounds very attractive, and sounds too good to be true. That's because usually it is. In India today, there's a growing trend of pseudo-scientific treatments and misleading spine therapies that promise magical results but either don't work, delay real care, or in some cases cause more harm than good. Hello, I am Dr. Arvind G. Kulkarni. I am a spine surgeon and director of Mumbai Spine, Scoliosis and Disc Replacement Center. And in this video, I am going to help you separate fact from fiction by calling out the most common fake hocus-pocus spine treatments, explaining why they don't work, and guiding you towards a safe, evidence-based care. So let's begin. First, let's talk about why these treatments are popular. When you're in pain, whether acute or chronic back or neck pain, you are usually vulnerable. You're looking for relief, answers, hope, getting back to work. But when someone says no MRI, no surgeries, just 5 sessions and you're cured, it feels like a blessing. But the spine is complex. Pain can be caused by discs, nerves, joints, muscles, bad posture, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Spine problems are real science, not real estate to sell miracles. The more we chase shortcuts, the more we delay what actually works. So let's start with one of the biggest marketing gimmicks in India. Spinal decompression machines. You will find them in commercial spine clinics, physiotherapy chains, wellness centers, even in malls. They look impressive. A motorized table that straps you in and gently stretches your spine. They claim to relieve pressure, fix herniated discs, and eliminate back pain without surgery. But here's the truth. Mechanical traction has been used in spine for decades, but in very specific cases and under specialist supervision. These commercial machines are often operated without imaging and diagnosis. They use the same protocol for each and every condition in every patient. Can worsen conditions like spinal instability, fractures, infections, osteoporosis. There is no strong clinical evidence that commercial decompression machines reverse a disc bulge or cure nerve compression. At the very best, they may give you temporary relief. At worst, they can create complications or delay proper treatment. So always ask, who is operating it? Have they seen my scan? Are they doctors? Are they trained? Is this the right treatment for my spine condition? What is the depth of knowledge that person has? Next, let's talk about those popular products we all seen on TVs. Dr. Ortho, herbal oils, ortho balm, back pain sprays, Ayurvedic patches, etc. You will see mind-boggling and dramatic ads. No side effects, natural cure. Even doctors recommend it. So let me be clear. Topical balms can reduce superficial muscle tightness. They offer temporary relief like a warm compress. But, and this is critical, they do not treat a disc herniation. They do not reduce nerve compression. They do not heal inflammation running deep inside the spine. So if you are using a balm for surface level comfort, it's okay. But if you are using it as your main treatment while ignoring weakness, numbness, or radiating pain, you're risking long-term damage. If a balm could fix a disc, every hospital would keep one next to the MRI machine. This is one of the fastest growing trends, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Centers offering spine therapy without trained physiotherapists. You walk in and they give you heat pads, vibration beds, ultrasound devices, laser therapy, spine realignment sessions, and they sell it to you as a package, 10 or 15 sessions. It's the same routine no matter what your actual problem is. Here's the risk. There's no diagnosis, no tailoring to your conditions, no safety protocol for serious issues like disc extrusions or instability. True physiotherapy is not machines, it's assessment, progression, and guided movement. A qualified physio to evaluate your posture, review your scans, monitor your progress, modify exercises based on your response. If that's not happening, you're not getting real rehab. Again, in many parts of India, traditional bone setting is still common. And in some, it helps with minor joint dislocations or ligament sprains. But when it comes to the spine, it's a different story. You have seen cases where patients were forcefully adjusted without imaging, developed disc prolapse worsening, ended up with nerve injuries or fractures. A disc herniation cannot be pushed back into the place. A sudden cracking or twisting of the back, especially in older or osteoporotic patients, can cause fractures. Your spine is not a pipe to be fixed with a wrench. It's a system and it demands precision. Manual therapy has a role only in selected cases, under trained supervision, under trained hands, with full assessment, not as a roadside fix. There's also a growing market for capsules and syrups that promise to cure spine problems. You will find this online or now popularly in WhatsApp groups. Spine Fit capsule, disc repair syrup, Ayurvedic bone healer, no surgery required, just 3 bottles. So let's be honest, there is no oral supplement that can reverse a disc herniation. Some vitamins like D3, B12 may help if you are deficient, but no capsule will melt a disc or heal a compressed nerve. These products are usually unregulated, they lack human trial data, they are sold with misleading testimonials. If you are spending 300 rupees on a bottle of hope, at least ask, has this ever been tested in a peer-reviewed medical study? If not, your money and your time may be going to waste. So what should you do if you have back pain or have been told you have a slip disc? Here's a simple 4-step roadmap. Get evaluated by a qualified spine specialist. Not every case needs a MRI or surgery, but diagnosis is essential. Use medication carefully and for short term, under prescription only. Begin structured physiotherapy, which should be supervised, progressive, and based on your unique needs. And in the long term, make lifestyle changes in terms of posture, hydration, ergonomics, sleep, weight control. The best results come from a tailored plan, not a template. From science, not sensation. So to sum it up, if you are suffering from back pain, know this: your spine doesn't need gimmicks, it needs guidance. Don't waste time, money, energy or health on unverified fixes. Seek clarity, get a real diagnosis, trust real care. If this video helped you clear some confusion or protect yourself from false hope, please like, share and subscribe. It helps spread awareness and might help someone to avoid a harmful decision. And always, if you're in doubt, talk to a trusted spine specialist or your family doctor. Relief is possible, but only with the right approach. Thank you for watching.